Hey guys, this is Dave from ETN. Today we're going to do new unboxing. It's a earphone that I ordered from Amazon. So let's get started. So it's a earphone from Boat, sorry. So these are gaming earphones and they are even IPX rated. So on the back you can see that it is IPX4 rated and computer secure ear hook. And they even give a free carrying pouch. And it even has a clip cable manager. So let's unbox it. Nice. So you can see these are the earphones. They even give you a nice little pouch and extra silicone tips and some Chennai Super Kings branding from Boat. God, today's IPL is going even Mumbai Indians. So that's it for the box. So the cable actually feels really good. So now come on the earphones, so let's test them. Oh, get me a splitter. Because of Apple, every user is streaming headphones. Bezel for dongles. Oh, forward. They even gave a clip for. So whatever you want to use for clip. Now coming to the fit is really nice. It has like some clip mechanism in the earphone, so they do not fall out of use that easily even while playing. Now coming to the sound. These sound loud. They really do sound loud. I think I'm playing volume at like 70% and it's like overpowering my ears. So loud, these are so loud. And the bass is nice. Vocals are a bit muddy, but the mids are clear. Even the highs are clear. So these can be used for mostly for gaming because they are even branded as gaming earphones. You can do casual listening, but I do not recommend for people who want to really enjoy the songs. So for example, let me show you how down these do sound. Can you hear the sound? They really do sound so loud. They are like some mini kind of speakers. So that's it for earphones. So now I'm going to the accessories. So they even use some like these are plastic. Yeah, these are plastic earbuds. They come in like two sizes. They have small and large, and these come with a medium ear tips. These medium do fit my ear fine, so I don't need to use all these things. So now coming to the pouch. So this pouch, I think it's made up of some kind of cloth, but its texture is really good. It's like some matte or rubbery finish. So let's try to put this in the pouch. Bounce, come on. Go, come on. It's a bit of hassle to put them in, but yeah. Overall, it's a nice package for 500 rupees. So they come with ear tips and pouch and they sound, and these are even IPX4 rated if you missed that. And it's overall good earphones for 500 rupees. and these do even come with 1 year warranty from both. You can so you can go and register them in their website. So that's it for video. Thank you for seeing. See you in the next video.